If you are migrating your products from Shopify to WooCommerce, you may need to keep your customers' valuable product reviews. It's really important for our potential new customers to see how good our products are, and that's achieved when they see other people's reviews about our products. That's why we want to show you how to import thousands of product reviews from a CSV file. We'll do this using the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet plugin, which displays all your comments, testimonials and reviews in a spreadsheet, so you can apply changes just like you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. Let's see how to import reviews from an Excel or Google Sheets CSV file like this one. If you were working in Excel, save the document, but if you were working in Google Sheets, download the CSV file. Then, go to the spreadsheet and open the import tool. Select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Here, you can select specific rows to import, but I'll leave it as it is. So, let's move on. Choose the option to import all rows as new. And hit Next. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In some seconds, all the reviews will be imported to WooCommerce, and you'll see them all on the spreadsheet. As you could see, with the Comments and Reviews spreadsheet, it's really simple and fast to import your WooCommerce customer reviews. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.